We're Quincy and take pride in your property. Today we're going to be doing a trash bin cleaning. This is the start of a quarterly service. Customer has 3 trash bins located here in Turlock, California. The trash bins have never been cleaned as far as she knows with her time being here at the property. So do the first time cleaning today, and then with the quarterly cleaning, they should be cleaner on a regular basis, be easier to clean. So she took advantage of those quarterly savings, which she's going to be getting by getting it done more often instead of just one time or biannually throughout the year. So we're going to get this going. Trash bins are really easy. Also super good way to build trust and rapport with the customer, so that later on they call you out for other services like a roof cleaning. They actually need their roof cleaned. It's pretty there's a lot of black streaks and a little bit of yellow on that roof, so they're growing some mold and algae over there. But yeah, super easy to get in the lives of the customers, get them to trust you, and you can go ahead and do more work for them later on down the road. Let's get this going.